Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. So now Arsenal don't play the match between Manchester United and Arsenal will lose 3-1. You get so many talking points day for that match. A lot of people are not happy the way we take lose. So now they talk say Arsenal don't become the old Arsenal. A lot of people talk about many things. So me now, as I look the match, you get we didn't do badly. We did very well. We played very well. The way they concede that first goal. Even some people even talk about the first goal where Martinelli scored for 11 minutes. You get where Paul Tierney, maybe the referee, on talk say the match don't be go after I don't get instruction of VAR. They say me go look the monitor, so they can go look the monitor. Then the challenge where Odegaard do on Eriksen, they can talk say it be foul. It gets truly that's in a soft foul, no be like strong tackle. But wetin make they come cancel the goal, say Odegaard leg no touch the ball. If the Odegaard leg touch the ball, it will be a different kettle of fish. They will say okay, he did the challenge and his leg touched the ball. Because if you watch Eriksen just carry his leg, put in front of the ball, Odegaard can't hit his own leg, he can't fall down. Now the referee don't play because the referee felt it is fair play, 50-50 challenge, go on. So you can't play normal as a lead to goal. So VAR go review him. The VAR referee don't look at him, say, oh man, for me it is inconclusive, but you go take your eye, go see him, make you know whether you go feel rule on something. So you can go look at watch him many times before you say, okay, we could cancel the goal. That one can they cancel. Now apart from that, game on, Abi Manchester United can score. So a lot of people can they complain about Zinchenko for that wing where Anthony they score. Say the difference between Zinchenko and Ikerianten is that Zinchenko loves going forward, forgetting that he's a left back. That is the perception of a lot of people. Now the person say Ikerianten, you know, they go forward like that, but even go forward, they track back, they come back at the same time. So these are the two similarities really for all the two differences really between Zinchenko. Zinchenko went on the play since she been in the score since everybody was happy. When the talk say he don't recover from an injury, I can tell you for a fact that almost 99.9% of all Arsenal fans were happy that Zinchenko is back. Now if you say don't come back now just because Anthony going to take advantage of that post. Even say Paul Messin before the match, Paul Messin talks say Zinchenko is going to struggle with Anthony because Anthony is a very fast player, 22 years old. The guy is very good on the wings. So apart from that one goal, he keeps Anthony quiet. Anthony didn't really have that spectacular game after that first goal when he scored. People can say if to say Ikerianten any day there, if you're not like that, how would you know? So when I know they judge things like that, it don't happen, say don't happen. When I know they give excuses again. After that one goal, first half finish, I know say I think I go run ginger the ball, ginger and say okay, we need to win this match or we need to get a draw. We can't come here and lose. After all, we're playing better. Second half, we come in all guns blazing, we dominated everything in the second half now. Played better, created more chances, had more shots, had about 16 shots now. Had more shots than United, chances created more than United, everything, but possession more than United, everything. But unfortunately, the god of luck no on our side because we had more chances to score, but we couldn't score. So Saka can turn the game level 1-1. Everybody can say, okay, fine and good. Now we can see the push forward to try to get a winner. That is another place where Arsenal fans can they complain, say we don't score 1-1. Why will they push forward? Why will no come lock up shop? That's the thing, because we don't score, we are in the ascending order. The fans were with us, we are creating chances upon chances, pulling shots. We're going to continue the goal. Now, as we go, United can counter us. And if you watch, that was what I said in the show, that the best thing we can do here is don't have the ball, don't be in the ascending order too much. You are playing in the theatre of dreams, in the Old Trafford. This is a hostile ground. If we allow United to counter us, it go enter us. Let them they come. Make you say that way they counter them, give them the ball. This is the same mistake we did at White Hart Lane, the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium last season. Almost 2 games to go. We go there, we can't play in the ascending order, them can they counter us. Sometimes Muku they let teams they play, Muku they counter them. After all, we are in their home. Let them come at us, soak the pressure, then launch your counter. So I know see them, they get fast players, they are having people like Sancho, Rashford, Anthony, come on now, they are fast. And they have Bruno Fernandes and Eriksen displaying the things in the middle of the park. We throw the passes, they will take advantage of our fullbacks so they already overlap. Don't go attack us. We just consider 2 soft goals. Rashford just give us back. And within 10 minutes, I think 65, 70 something. 10 minutes or thereabout, they don't score 3-1 again, and that's so everything gonna end. We played better, we did everything, but at the end of the day, we could not win. So we learn from this one. It don't happen, it don't happen. But we know they complain, some kind of unnecessary complaint. You can't win all the games now. You expect to win all the games. In every game, you have to win, draw, or lose. After all, we are at the top of the league. Our ambition still they go forward. So we are still where we want to be. So we don't lose, so we don't lose. Let's head forward. Next game, whoever they meet, we let them face the wrath of our annoyance. So that's what it just be. There are many people going to talk about that VAR, that Martinelli goal. Many people they talk about Roy Keane himself can't come outside for media setting when they talk about that VAR goal. So the VAR talk say the foul on Eriksen by Odegaard was a very, very soft foul. It gets no be something will make them cancel the goal, but during the time when they play, that is not be foul now. So but these days, any small touch you can touch person will go down, referee go see a foul. And now with VAR could they review things. If not before, as referee don't do play on, nothing won't do again. But that is why VAR don't come now. So VAR don't run your own thing. I don't talk say the team no be goal. So it is what it is. There's nothing you can do about it. You can cry from that to tomorrow. You cannot change what VAR has said that this thing is not a goal. So you don't have to say that happen. Let's move on to the next match. Another thing we can see for the match, Fabio Vieira, who don't always cry for, got in debut yesterday, but just be like a baptism of fire. He played in the match between Manchester United. The guys have tried, came in, did some few touches, he had some glimpses of hope. The guys have tried, but his best was not good enough. So well, we don't lose, we don't lose. So we must just learn from that one. So for me, that's it. They they ask Arteta, say I take see the match. Okay? So Babaka talks for the match, saying thank the boys, saying get many positives, saying go pick than the negatives. We dominated the game. That is just the truth. Nobody can deny it. We dominated the match. Just that them just get two simple chances, two easy chances. With their launch counter scores. When it comes to match domination, chances created, shots, everything, we dominated it. So Babaka talks, so we don't lose, we say we don't lose. Okay? We know they hide away from that. This one no go mean say it go condense the confidence of the team. No, we are still top of the league. We are still high up there where we want to be. We've lost only 1 in 6 games. So we just have to learn from our mistakes. Nobody's infallible. Just learn from the mistakes of where we've stopped. And that's how it will be. Someone knows to cry over spilled milk. It don't have to say it don't happen. Let's all our focus be channeled onto the next game. And that's how it's supposed to be. After the match, they ask Odegaard, say, I didn't see the game. So Babaka say the team is very frustrated because we controlled the game 100%. And at the same time, we can't let in 2 easy goals. Now be Odegaard complain, say, if we check the dressing room after the match, everybody was frustrated because we knew we could have gotten more than we got. We deserved better than this loss, 3-1. Because when you watch the game, we created a lot of chances. We were not clinical. Manchester United, they were very clinical. How many chances they create? As they create them, they bury them. Oh, they create chances upon chances. You know the finisher. That was what was our problem. So well, it happened, but everybody see the talk onto the next match. Let's learn from our mistakes. Then they ask Arteta about the goal with them counts to that Martinelli goal. So Arteta can talk say, see, the problem we get we say VAR they inconsistent. That's good. This way they counts that challenge on Odegaard on Eriksen. It was a very soft challenge. So Arteta can give 2 examples. So Babaka will talk about the challenge where Tyrone Mings give Saka. Oh, they play against Aston Villa. When he carry Saka, throw Saka for ground. They don't give us penalty. Nobody saw anything like this was a bad challenge or anything. VAR no review, VAR no talk anything. What's he go talk that one? Is it not inconsistency? Okay, look at the goal with Douglas Luiz score against Arsenal. When they score that corner, when they just wind up, enter. Should be somebody who Ramsdale. Is that not a soft foul? Nobody blew up, nobody review and just say okay no. So when you look at all these things, you become angry. That VAR is inconsistent. Let the consistency be there. If you talk say this one a soft foul, they no hold ball. Why? Okay, look at the one with them cancel for Martinelli. They say Odegaard foul Eriksen, saying in leg no touch ball. Okay, the one with the whole Ramsdale for back like this, in leg touch ball, in head touch ball, in body touch ball. Why can't you cancel that one again? So all these levels of inconsistency. Now what if you say when you see them, you can't be like saying maybe the referees get planned against Arsenal and they want to punish us or they want to make sure that this unbeaten gets scattered. When you see all these things, you become angry. That's the major problem we have. Even Roy King said, come and say, the para say, even though the first agree, say the thing that so foul, got us say, Ateta na so loser. Say Ateta they complain too much, Jerry. They say they complain have done foul. No, but you use your mouth talk say the thing that so foul. In your time, it shouldn't have been the goal, but now everything have scattered, blah 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 blah. Now they tell our coach is so loser. When the truth is glaring you, like the truth, they see the truth like this. Say this thing is a soft foul. The guy said you fall like a pack of cars. Then they win. Well, it don't happen. We say don't happen. I don't blame them, child. As I just come back from the event, so I go yesterday, so they all rush me for house. I want to enter inside, they jack me, they hold me on my neighbors. They hold me, say I don't need to go anywhere. You know, I was over 9 years. Say, you want to go win? I said, okay. I know just want to follow the argue. I said, okay, no problem. When I don't win, you say I don't win. No argument. I don't have anything to say. We are sit up of the league. Let's continue. But if you say you want to start arguments, I don't go come out there. This Portier go away in cancel for Arsenal. Many Arsenal fans no sit with them. Even Ramsdale himself at the end of the match, Ramsdale can't go meet the referee. Say, Papa, what is they stop now? Why go cancel that goal now? She as just the complaint. She had the lady referee no say, you know they happy with say referee do. They talk many things. The referee call the explain to one or two say like this. We know the yellow say they talk ball. Now what say Ramsdale just let the guy know. Get so many fans. If you come on Twitter everywhere, even they call the laugh yourself. If you come Twitter, I'm beating the trend. I'm beating don't scatter. Then Manchester United scattered in 2002, 2003. They just scattered them again. As the banter was too much, but it is what it is. That's football for you. So on to the next match. About David Einstein said, don't come and say I can't shock also. But back when they tell us say Emil Smith Rowe don't pick up injury. You get say after the match during the post warm up or clinical say the guy can't pick up injury. So I don't can understand. Even say all those Zinchenko when they rush enter. How are we sure they are 100% fit? All those Odegaard, how are we sure they are 100% fit? But we know now only God know because I think that they don't do training. They don't do training, draft them enter. Create way they do training, you know put up. So all these are questions, and that is why most times they face dilemma. There is no decision when you go take. We go there 100% people no go talk. If those Zinchenko come in now, calling for bench, now Creatine they can't use, we can't lose. They go say, since Zinchenko for bench now, why no use them? Supposed to use Zinchenko now, this and that. But now we don't put Creatine for bench now. We don't play Zinchenko now. We see don't stop. Don't say you get Creatine the play since we don't 100% fit. We don't overlap any. Why you use them? Which kind of coach be this? You know what? These many people just talk, get so everybody not get their mouths get. So we no reason all those things. It don't happen. Say it don't happen. We just move on. Even Paul Merson himself can come outside before the match. Can talk say if Arsenal lose against Manchester United, say many people come outside can talk say same old Arsenal this and that. And I noticed that in the comments yesterday. Many people don't talk say Arsenal are same of the same. And see that is no good. You know good. We don't improve past that level. No be every small loss. We don't lose one. Everybody will start to cry like baby. They compare us say same of Arsenal. We are not strong. We are not this. You can't win every match. Some matches go there will say you go play it go be the best team, you go play everything. At the end of the day, you will lose. You cannot nobody won't complain. It is just the nature of football. You get sometimes not be the best team they win. It happen like that. See Liverpool. Sometimes they go play very well, knock bad, jam everything. At the end of the day, what goes up, they no go fit score one goal. Now football with that. Man City against Aston Villa, you know how many chances they create. At the end of the day, what happen? They play 1-1. Everton and Liverpool. You know how many bad Liverpool jam for that match? I watch out. They play heaven and earth. Last what happen? They 0-0. So sometimes you play beautifully and you lose. Sometimes you play ugly. You know we'll get any chance. You know we'll play at the end of the day to happen. You go win. It happen like that. It don't happen to us this season itself. Now every match you play well. Sometimes you go play at the end of the day, you know go win. So more could know very small loss. You say Arsenal they are the same, Jared. They are the same thing of the past. No. Don't do that. If you do that, I will call you look your loyalty, whether it be Arsenal fan or be no be Arsenal fan. Because when I see all those kind of comments and they are ashamed of such comments like that, you don't come out and say that. You pick out the positives. Where we did now, we are set up of the league. If the last season, where we did. So the match is still plenty. We don't play 6 out of 38. How many remain? Don't be 32. So season still long for us to come to complain too much like that. So we don't do like that. I mean, I don't forget say we don't get our membership program in case you don't support our show. You get and YouTube now roll them out for us. So if you want to support our show, people they do it too. They do very well. The price now 450 naira per month is just less than $1. Now so YouTube they set up for us. So just join our membership program. Make sure be our supporters club. When they support us, when they do our journalism, they go forward, and that's what it will be. So if you don't watch our show yesterday, check the top left corner of the screen. You see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.